Welcome, warriors, to another episode of Project Reviews. And this is episode number 11, if I am correct. Yes, it is. So, this is the second one in 2026, and we don't have many projects. So, let me see. We have only 26 projects. So, there is a big chance that you're going to be picked up in this episode, and you can still submit your project. So, if you're not too late right now, and you can go to this link right here to review.thehorde.dev. You can here just go and submit your project, and that's it. And then you will be in this pit right here, and you can get picked up by the Orc Machine. Let's see who do we have in the comments right here. We have, as always, Mr. J. Hi, how are you doing, man? Really good to see you here. Then we have Razwan, awesome. And also Bob. So many people. Really nice to see you guys. We also have Dima here. And oh, it would be good to pick up your project with the Orc Machine. That would be really good. Also, Alem, awesome. Should we turn on the Orc Machine, guys? Let's go. So I'm going to the media. I need like some short key or something for this Orc Machine. Turning the Orc Machine right now. Okay, here we are. I'll just refresh one more time to see if we have any more 26. That's it. Okay, so picking a project. Good luck, everyone. Let's see, what are we going to get? Are we going to pick up today, Mr. J? Code in, a simple AI code generator. Okay, sounds fair enough. What do we have here? So we have 5 stars, and we have last commit 3 months ago. So this is a little bit abandoned project, but it's like young. Let's say 5 months ago is the first commit. Okay, so do we have? Yeah, we have also some link. And in the beginning, we have a landing page that we all know, purple landing page with a text area where we put in what do we want to build, and we are building from there. Okay. So AI powered magic, lightning fast, pro code editor. This is an interesting technique to show like your entire landing page. These are 2 images and with just a little bit of gap in between, so we can see like the entire landing image. I like it. I think this is pretty cool if you want to show like the whole thing. So we have here exactly, we know exactly what this app is doing. And here we know the features. Only thing here, do you see this? I need to zoom in. Div class name equals hero. I guess this shouldn't be here on this screenshot. I hope we're not going to see this one in the app itself. Okay, so here we have the code and we don't have any text. Pretty interesting. I think that here we should have a little bit of text. What is this app actually doing? Like all these features to be like written inside of this README file here. That's definitely a must for an application like this. Also here, maybe I know we have title in this image, but having title with a small description here would be pretty good for us. Maybe instead of this one, because we already have all these images. I mean, images are good for readmes, but not really like to have only images in readmes. And I don't know what is this code here representing. What should we know from here? This is some to-do application, and why is it here? I don't know, to be honest. So not sure what is this. This is probably some result of that application creating something. So we need to see something like that. So, okay, let's try it out to see how does it look. Do we have the creator maybe here in chat? I don't see it. If you want to get your app reviewed, you can just go to the review.thehorde.dev and submit there, so you maybe get picked up by the Orc Machine. So here we have that purple and we have that. Oh, so this is on purpose. Okay, so this is jumping around div class name hero, and here const magic equals true. It on that screenshot, it kind of looked like some kind of like, I don't know, thing that was missed, but that's some like trick here for us to see. Okay, that's cool. Code in. That's like a good name for an application like this, although like in is like a tavern, like some kind of like, like kafana. So I would maybe make it a little bit different, maybe a logo or something like that. And we have transform ideas into stunning websites. And here we can log in. This one is not looking good in a light mode. And okay, let's see if we can build actually something. So create me a developer portfolio. Oh, we already have it here. Okay. Authentication required. Okay, so we don't want to do that right now. So usually these apps are allowing you like 3 times to create something for free so you can try it out. I mean, maybe you're even allowing it if I log in, but I don't want to log in and give my email right now. So here we have also AI powered magic, lightning fast, pro code editor, and okay, so this is like some kind of generation app that was winning the 2025. Now things are a little bit different. People here want to know what kind of models are they using. They want to know exactly like what can they do with this AI. This should live inside of code editors as well, inside the CLI. Check out all the modern solutions that we have today, things like Cursor, things like Claude Code, etc. I don't have to name like all of this, all of those things now, but you should definitely check out something like that and try to replicate and do something in that style. Because this thing, like you come to some website and you generate UI and then you copy paste it, and your code base doesn't know, like doesn't have the context, like this AI doesn't have the context of your code base, and you like push just there. That's like that's not how it's done today. So that should definitely be changed. Now maybe you have solution for something like that, but I need to know it before I register. Other than that, I would suggest changing this purple. Maybe you really love it, I don't know, but this is really saying AI a lot. And you definitely need um, the light mode. Also here we have 2025. Now I really don't understand. I don't know, like this, I maybe it's too much to say, it pisses me off, but I don't like seeing 2025. Like one thing is just solving it, like just one new date from JavaScript and picking the year is solving this thing, and don't ever like hard code. Maybe this is also generated by AI, so that's why it's hard coded, but fix that please if you want to continue, of course, with this project. So advice for you is to try to track. I mean, it's crazy world out there now with AI today. So try to track all of those things and to try to compete somehow. I know it sounds impossible, but you should try it if you want to build something like this. Other than that, building something like for all others, not only for the creator of Code In, like this is the perfect app to have inside of your portfolio. Here you're covering a lot of things. So you have AI, you have those like stream down things, like when you're seeing building something with AI. And this is really a perfect project to showcase, like for your career, for getting a job, for putting inside of your GitHub profile, CV, etc. So from the technical perspective, this is a pretty good project to build, and all of you should definitely try something like this. But for the creator of this project, if you want to succeed, maybe make some kind of sale or something, you should definitely check it out and fix all those things. Okay, how are we doing, chat? Let's see, who do we have here? Yeah, too much purple, I must say. Hello, my man, how are you doing? Hello. Hey, so many people here. Hey, Valerie, nice to see you here, man. Just here, submit your project on the review.thehorde.dev. It functions like it's random. So Orc Machine is picking someone randomly from the database. That's how it works. Yeah, vibe coding final boss. I would say the same thing here. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's first see how many projects we have. I'm refreshing 28. Awesome. So we had 2 more projects. Let's go to the Orc Machine and turning it on here, the Orc Machine. Okay, good luck picking a project. Bobar, that sounds interesting. Oh, I saw Kibo UI. Chamak UI. Oh man, Jay, I saw Yaos like just one before the last one. Okay, this Chamak UI. This is the first time I hear about this UI library. And I know a lot of UI libraries. So 3 stars, last commit 5 hours ago. So it is maintained. That's good. And oh man, this looks like this is like 3 days ago created. Nice. Okay, let's see it. I'm really interested to see this one. It already has a domain, chamak.com. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, like Chamak. What could it be like Chamak? Maybe Chamats? Okay, Chamak UI. Make your UI shine. We have here, I guess, the landing page from the Chamak UI. I can already see that it is using Fumadocs, which is pretty good. A collection of beautiful animated components. This is like not copy pasted, but in the same style like Shed CN. So that's good. Premium collection of modern animated and interactive UI components for Next.js applications. I don't like this part that it is only for Next.js applications. Like it's so easy, especially if you're using the Shed CN registry, to create it for like all React frameworks and things. So you should definitely look into it. And Tailing CSS motion, Chamak UI is designed to help you build stunning high-performance web interfaces. Okay. Features, premium design, modern stack, copy paste. Okay. First thing that I would say is here we don't see the fancy stuff. So you're here saying that you have a collection of modern animated and interactive UI components, and we don't see it. We see like this thing right here, which is pretty much like just what do you have, again, like features. We want to see here showcase of your components. How does it look? So we like it from the start. That's really important for this screenshot right here. It's good that you placed a screenshot, but not like from your landing page. It should be your components and showcasing your components. And I think that I'll say the same thing for your landing page. Yes. So here you have, so I think, at least like I'm guessing, that these are not really your components. These are like some fun way how to show what kind of features you have. You should have here a showcase of your components so we can see what do you have exactly inside of your UI and why is it different than other UIs. There is not even like I'm scrolling down, but there is nothing down. So you're not showing it everywhere. I have to press on explore components. So let's see. Okay. From here now, it looks interesting. So this part looks really interesting. And you're missing this one for sure. So this is your power right here that you're not showing on 2 places. First one is your GitHub README file. Second one is your landing page. And the landing page is definitely more important than, I mean, README is also important, but landing page is really important for you to show what do you have, like what kind of power can you bring with your UI components. So you miss that, and you should definitely fix that. Let's see what do we have. So we have here, let's check first interactive grid. Yeah, this one looks really nice. Really smooth. It feels really smooth. Okay, let's see then these stats cards. Awesome. Chamak UI, pretty interesting. Gorge, nice. Yeah, like all things like nice animations. ocean here. This is maybe not that smooth like other components, but it's looking good. Then let's see if there is something crazy. Do we have something crazy? Doc, feature steps. What are feature steps? Oh, nice. Yeah, maybe it's not the best UX, but it's definitely good. And do we have something else? Maybe carousel. How do can I move? No. Maybe arrows? No. Okay, so this is like automatic moving carousel. We should probably have here some kind of arrows because user doesn't know that maybe he will just fly through this one and not even see it. Then we have dancing letters. Nice. This one reminds me a little bit on React bits. Text loop. This one reminds me on Eternity. But of course, like you cannot, it's not like that you're bringing something like similar. Okay, here you have like AI inputs that you can use for AI chatbots. Nice. Okay, this is a nice looking UI component library. It should definitely have a little bit more of components. This is a good start here. So you are using this nice search, which is really good. You have here your X and light mode, dark mode. Nice. Is this one working? Yeah, it's working in light mode as well, although it's not working here in light mode when you are like previewing these, because these are probably, I guess, GIFs or something like that. Nice. I like this library. You probably just need to add some, like, not probably, but you definitely need to add more components. And what you need is you need more of those like sick attractive components. Like, like when you go to React Bits, you're going through text, through some animations, through things, and you're like, okay, we've seen this. But then you come to the backgrounds and you like open your mouth and you cannot believe it. So that is, maybe this interactive grid is something like that, but you definitely need like some 5 or 6 different like those open mouth things. So you should definitely look into creating more components. And let's see if we have, do we have Shredsian registry? Yeah, we have. Okay. So it doesn't have the trusted registry yet. You should probably just like open a PR to put it into a trusted Shredsian registry, and hopefully Shed can merge that one. But other than that, I think it's good. So the most important thing is to showcase your components on the landing page. This landing page is not showing anything, and that's the main thing that you are missing. And you have many goodies here to show. So just choose like 6, 8, how many you want components. You can even put like this whole page on your landing page. It would have like better results than putting only this one right here. And I also like the logo. It's a little bit, I don't know why it's like reminding me of convex. It's looking really nice and awesome. That's it. I hope you had a great like here overview of your project. I know this is really new. I see here it's only like 3 days. So good job on this one. It's awesome. Just make it more better, and I think you're going to do great. Awesome. Let's see how many projects we have now. We have 20. Oh, we are now passing 35, 34. Nice. Awesome. Let's see who do we have in chat. We have, oh yeah, Balkan CN. We should create that. But I don't want to say like those components should have sounds, but I don't want to say those sounds. Let's see. I'll leave this highlighted and I will pick a project. Let's first put the Orc Machine. Okay, let's put our focus and efforts to choose Yaos for Jay, because he's waiting for that really a long time. Let's see if it's going to be picked. Better shot, Tailark. Oh, so many. Connor. What? Sorry, Jay. Next time. Yes, spinning burek. That would be awesome. Oh my god. Hey Jendai, nice to see you, man. Okay, so we picked Connor, AI powered tool for working with Postgres, MySQL, my MS SQL, and ClickHouse. Okay, let's see what is it. AI tool. So we have 1,200 stars, pretty good. Then we have last commit 3 days ago. So this is maintained. And oh my God, like how are these young projects getting that number of stars? So this project is like if we don't check this GitHub and Husky and things which are copy pasted, it's like 3 days old, 5 days old. What the heck? And I'm like, after 1 year of 8BCN, I'm satisfied with 1,500 stars. Okay. So they have a domain, that's good, Connor.app, and this is awesome. So this is again like a great example how should a README file start. So we have here, if you check here, a logo, which is pretty important, but it's not the same like this logo. That's weird, but we'll see in the app. No, in the app it is this one. Yeah, it's just not here on GitHub. Strange. So then we have a title, and then we have a screenshot of the real thing. So this is the real thing. This is a product that is used, and we can see here that we have some kind of table with the prices, price data, etc. So this is showing us exactly what it is, which is really important. So Connor is an AI-powered open source project that simplifies database interactions. Oh, I can see now. So this is Valerie. He probably like now submitted this project, right? When I pasted my the URL here. So that's awesome. And we have, so here the features, secure and open, multi-database support, AI-powered features, so intelligent SQL assistants, that's really interesting. We'll check it out right now. This is the stack. It's using React with TypeScript, Electron, Tailwind CSS, and ShredCN. 10 stack start. Nice, pretty. Look at this strong looking tech stack. This tech stack is looking awesome. Better auth, Rizzo RM. Nice. This is really cool. Do they have like what are they using for payments? Maybe it's like totally free. Let's see. So this here is just the development setup, and let's go to the app. Yeah, it's definitely this logo right here. So I don't know why is this one. This should probably then be fixed just to like change this logo. This is the beta still, and we have here get started, sign in, dark light mode. Let's put to dark. I know you guys like love dark mode. So Connor is an AI-powered data management tool that lets you focus on working with your data, and we have download for macOS and all platforms. And when we go down, we are getting this screenshot, which is the same screenshot from the, oh, it's not the same, but it's similar. We have some additional data here, like for these like name, created at, and price data. And that's good. So this is a good thing. We immediately see what it is exactly and what are we controlling. So it's like some kind of, let's call it, what's that app called for like controlling the SQL data? It's on Mac. Somebody maybe knows about the SQL app. I stopped using it for like I don't know when I used it the last time. I'm using Neon, so I'm used to the web interface. So I'm really curious now here from this screenshot. I'd like to see how is AI used here and what can we actually do with AI. So could we like now, for example, say right click and then change all prices that are 899.99 to 500 or something like that with AI. That would be cool. So all the basic features you expect, that's what we expect out of this GUI thing that is controlling our database, plus powerful capabilities that set us apart. So that's the key thing, and that's AI. So smart AI data filtering. Let AI help you create filters naturally. No more manual entry needed. Price between 500 and 1000. Okay. This example right here, this doesn't sound like AI. Sorry. Like this is more like, I think this kind of thing, can I control it here? No. I think this kind of thing could probably work without AI, like to say price between 500 and 1000. You have the same thing, for example, on Vercel, like from 1 to 7 days for the analytics, and it's not using AI, it's just using like some kind of logic behind that is telling it what to do. So this is not like this example that I'm seeing right here is not really like AI friendly, I would say. I would not waste my tokens on something like this. Then we have, now this is something that I'm more interested in, so that I can ask questions in natural language and get instant answers. So this is what I expected, and this is what I love. So I can say here, like, get me all users that are disabled, like not me, but maybe some manager could say it, and he would get everything instantly inside of this app. Now, this is really powerful because you can control your data, you can see everything as long as AI is not deleting stuff. This is, I think, really good if you want to have, like, if you have a small team, you want to send that data to your manager or to someone who is not really like technical, and he can control everything and do, I mean, not only for him, of course, for developers, it's also easier to speak in natural language as long as you don't forget the SQL and how it works. So I think this is really a great idea. Then manage data with ease, add, edit, and delete data with a few clicks. Okay, so this is something normal, and secure connections with the cloud to keep them safe and accessible from any device. Nice. Live by developers worldwide. We see here Maze, Noah, a lot of familiar faces. Tristan from X. So even the bird here, the parrot, is saying that it is good. Oh, so it is paid. There is a pro version. So what do we have? Advanced AI, more AI features and unlimited queries. And here we probably, do we have AI? We have limited AI, okay, with the free version, which is cool. I think it's important that it has a hobby plan. I think that's really good. So advice for the landing page. What would I put here? So here on this screenshot, I would definitely show the AI feature. So from here, I think that this AI feature is really important. So you could make here, instead of this screenshot, maybe a carousel, maybe even if you, now I'm not sure like how is it functioning and how is the app, how does it look? But you have here this price between 500 and 1000. If you could have, for example, here, instead of that, an input like, give me all, like I said, disabled users or something like that. So some, maybe a GIF that shows that, like a fast, like, give me all disabled users, and then you have the result right here, and that's repeating. That would maybe be more effective than just this one. For example, in the beginning, I totally missed this input. I didn't see this. I see it now because I saw it here and I was talking about it. Maybe I would just fly over this one if I'm here for the first time. So I think that's really important to show it here. Maybe even a video. A video will also be good. So think about that direction right there. Then we have get started. I guess it's going to the, oh, we have brew install, and we have here Mac, Windows, Linux. Okay, so this is like, this is good. Get started and sign in. I guess this one is for getting the, to pay it, to get go pro. This corner, please make it a link so I can return back, because, oh, I have here home, but I was expecting corner to work also. So I think it would be good that that one is a link. I see this one is a link, I guess. Is it doing something? No, it's not. I thought it's going up. Okay. So it's looking good. It's a good, I think it's a good product. I think you are going somewhere with this one. You will probably like think about more features as you go. But I think this is a good start, and I'm really impressed on your number of stars for this short amount of time. Really good. I haven't seen it on X yet. I guess you're good at marketing this one. So make sure to make it perfect. Also here in the README file, like here also, yeah. So here you also have this input price between 500 and 10. So here also you could like put something to like maybe 2 screenshots of different AI features. That is your power of your app, and you should show that one because that is the main key thing that people are missing in all other apps. And I think that's it. So really good. Also, I love the domain and the name. And yeah, nice. Glad I picked this one. Really interesting app. What do we say, chat? Is this one looking good? Do we have here? Um, do we have here the creator? I don't see nowhere now. I see spinning Burek. Like I'm always seeing Burek from some reason. And using Stripe for payments. The logo is not there in GitHub because it's under the wannabe organization. Okay, interesting. Yeah, that's why it's on the GitHub there. Nice. Oh, here is Valerie. Awesome. Hello, Marek, my man. How are you doing? Awesome. Valerie, I think I gave you there a couple of really good advice. So check it out if you were not here while I was talking. And let's refresh to see how many projects we have now. We have 35 projects. Nice. Let's pick another one. Let's go for the Orc Machine. Okay. Should we vote for Yaos? Good luck, everyone. Let's see, what are we going to pick now? We have, I saw that somebody submitted my project. Better Home, a minimal, delightful new tab replacement for Chromium-based browsers. Demo video in the repo README. Okay. So we have 7 stars, 48 minutes ago, last commit. So it is maintained, and this is completely new project from today. Like, is it possible that it is from 2 hours ago, this project? Crazy. How did you manage to submit it already? Okay. So we have here an overview video, Better Home, and do we have some like description? No. You should probably have a description under your title right here, something minimal. It could be just this one, just to explain it a little bit better, like what is going on. And we have now here this overview. So let's check it out. So we can get that thing done, further publish the something, and we can add a link. And what is happening here? Work log, we're launching Better Home. And now we have all tasks here inside of our extension. Nice. So this is basically some like new tab replacement that we have, like some kind of calendar where we can put in all of our things. It's a nice idea. This is a cool idea. So we have different widgets, tasks, quick links, mood calendar, responsive layout, customizable, backup and restore. Project is using Bun. Okay, so here we have already the installation process. Let's check it out. Oh, it doesn't have some landing page. Okay. So no link. We have only this video and we cannot test it out. So I think for something like this, you could probably deploy this whole thing on one landing page, call it a demo, Better Home demo, or whatever you want. I mean, I guess that you want to create a landing page for this one. So You could like create a description, put this video inside of your landing page. Also a demo link there on that landing page, which is leading to like some fake data that we can control, and we can see like all these things and play around with it to see what are we actually getting with this new tab thingy. So I think that's really important that you showcase what could. It's not only the video. I want to now go and click around, and I would do it now on this, like on this live stream, if I had that chance, but I don't have it. So you should definitely give some kind of demo that people can play around. And like this video is a great idea. It's really good to put something like this inside of your readme files so people can exactly see what are they getting. But you need for this specific, like the product, you need to give people a chance to try it out. And I think that's really important. So here we have all the installation process and what should we do in order to install it, and that is okay, but not everyone wants to do things with extensions from potentially not secure and not identified the developers. So make sure to think about that. That's why you need a landing page. You need like a little bit more of trust for your users. And what is this troubleshooting? Below are common issues you might encounter while developing with plus React plus TypeScript and how to fix. Okay, this is cool. Tech stack, React 19, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, ShredCN, Motion. Nice. Biome for linting and formatting. And this is how to contribute. Okay. Awesome. I think this is a cool project. You are just starting with this one. So make sure to create a landing page, create a demo link. Here, add a little bit of description, make it maybe a little bit better. Put here a logo. I don't know if you have a logo. You don't have it yet. So this is just a start. Make those updates and then resubmit again for a new Orc Machine pick. Let's see how many projects do we have. It is 36. Nice. And who do we have here? We have Savvy. Mr. Orc Savvy here. It's my project. We land a landing. Oh, nice. Okay. Great. Great work, Savvy. This is really good. Just make sure like this is so fresh. It's only like 2 hours old project. Really crazy. And okay, let's continue turning on the Orc Machine. And after this pick from the Orc Machine, we are going to pick one project from the Discord channel. So make sure to join the Horde right here. And we have our own Discord. It is right here. And we have the live submissions channel. So there, I'm going to put here now this line, and you can just paste in your GitHub repo beneath this line, and we are going to pick it with the randomizer from the review app right here. So that is not for this one, that is for the next one. So make sure to join the Discord channel and to submit your project right there. Okay, let's go now with the Orc Machine, just to refresh one more time to see if we have more. 30 and 7. Nice. Picking a project. GridCN, Bobar, Kibo, Dev Quests. Oh, I love the sound of it. Platform to level up your coding portfolio. Discover web development challenges, filter by difficulty, and master new skills. I love it. Gamification of dev. Oh, that's I didn't even recognize it. That's the new Dima's project. Nice. Okay, Dima, let's see you here, man. 7 stars for this project. I already started. I checked. I even forked this project. I wanted to add something and then I gave up because I didn't have time. So this is a new project. It's only 3 days old. And it is really cool thing where you can get ideas for your projects. So here we have dev quests. level up your coding portfolio. So this is some kind of title plus a little bit of description. It looks like the title from HTML, like that goes in the tab. And we have this small icon. And we have the screenshot. And this is the screenshot of the landing page. Now, it looks cool. I'm just not sure if it is saying enough about this project. Like, we can see that whole gamification, we can see those 8-bit vibes, we can see that, but not sure if that is enough. I think that your main page should be the screenshotted right here. But let's see it now. We'll see it. So about the project, this is a little bit about the project. Is a curated platform designed to solve a common problem. What should I build next? And this is the most important thing. You can maybe even put this line beneath this title, because I think this one is saying really a lot about the project. So instead of endless tutorials or generic to-do lists, this one, so you can have here all your projects. Okay, let's see it. It is already on the domain. And here we even have a music. I don't know if you can hear it. It's an 8-bit superplex type of music. So we can now start our game. And here we can see that this one is using 8-bit CN. Thank you so much on that one, Dima. And we can choose here our difficulty and our duration of the project. So here it is already sorted by easy, then medium, and then here hard. So how is this working? Developer can come here and just start with any difficulty he wants. So for example, I want easy difficulty, and I can here pick my project. So for example, Spotify wrapped faker, or let's say I would never create something like this, but excuse generator for developers. This is something that I would build. So here we are choosing our project, and we have excuse generator for developers. So technical excuses for missed deadlines with fake stack traces. This is pretty cool project. So we have the quest details. Generate believable dev excuses. It works on my machine. Certificate generator, fake error logs and stack traces, blame generator, Slack message templates. Pretty cool. I think this is a pretty cool project to build. So now we can click start this quest. And is this doing something? No, nothing is happening. Interesting. Okay, so this should probably do something for our quest. I'm not sure what was the idea here. I didn't see this part when I first saw it. So this should be some kind of action. Then we can get back. Here we have like all those projects. So I think that this screenshot right here is probably telling more about the project than this screenshot in the README right here. Like, because here we can see what are we getting, and from here we can just see some start game and Twitter and GitHub. Now maybe we could discuss about that one, but probably better option. And what could you build from here? Like here you probably could have like 1 million ideas. I think that good idea would be an API for this one, for example. So I want, let's say, some kind of randomizer, like challenge, let's say a challenge. Today I'll build one medium project, and I click a randomizer and it picks randomly one medium project for me. Something like that. You could also build that feature inside of your project, and you can open an API for others to take some kind of projects. That's probably a good idea. Then you could have, like I said that already to you on X, categorization of things. For example, on YouTube, a lot of people are asking me, what should I build to have inside of my GitHub portfolio, inside my portfolio or whatever. So people love to see not only like here Node.js, Git and CLI, or React, frame motion, local storage. It's not only about the technologies. I think it's about concepts. So, for example, CRUD. Everyone loves to see like that people can build CRUDs, both the backend part and the frontend part. Then we have AI. So making AI chat is a skill, that one as well. Then, for example, some chat. Chat is also something that you are not building every day. So knowing to build something like chat is good. So it's not only about technologies. And this is still like, again, this is new. So you can probably think about a lot of things here. Sorry. What is the menu doing? Create quest, settings. Okay, so we can actually create quests. Nice. Is this one working? I guess this one is working. Then we have the settings. Oh, nice. I love this one. And we have GitHub and Twitter and exit. Nice. Looks really like an old school game. I love it. So you have a lot of things here that you can add. And I'm really curious, what are you going to create? And I think that the most, probably the biggest problem here is to market this thing. How can this be marketed and what could you do with it? It's hard to market these things, but I guess that's what the Horde community is for and the whole X community. So we'll try to push it somehow. Awesome. Nice work on this one, Dima. And what do you say? Let's see here. Awesome. Yeah. Make sure you can just put on the Discord channel when you are ready, so we can see what did you create. Awesome. Okay. Let's pick now the project from the Discord channel. So here we have Jay. Come on, we wanted number one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 projects, and somebody here 7 projects. Okay. So now I'm here bringing the random number thingy on this app. And how this functions is when I type in some number, for example, 100, we are generating random number from that number. So we have here, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Putting in number 7 and generating random number 2. So who is here number 2? That is Bob. Bobar. So that's Bob Bar, actually. Awesome. Let's see what do we have here. So 0 stars, 3 weeks ago, last commit, and looks like your project is abandoned, Bob. Let's see. A lightweight floating taskbar application launcher for Windows. Okay. Windows, really, this is the first time I think we see some C# Windows thingy on this reviewer. So Bobar, a lightweight floating taskbar. Download, we can hear download. Extract the zip file and run bobar.exe. And here we can see the video. Okay. Oh, it looks almost the same like on Mac, but it is for Windows. Okay. Are you mentioning here somewhere Mac? No, you're just saying a lightweight floating taskbar. Well, this is cool. I think it's really good that you have this video. Plus, not only like the video, you have this Windows desktop thingy. So I think that's really good. It's saying us this is working on Windows and this is looking like Mac. This video is a pretty cool thing. So here we have the title, small description, download, and immediately we can download and just we know what to do just to run the Bobar exe. So that's pretty cool, pretty easy. And we have core functionality, floating launcher bar, drag and drop support, shortcut resolution. So everything that you would expect from this kind of Bob bar. Nice. Okay, so here installation. Okay. And oh, you don't have any link. You could probably create a nice landing page out of this. You could vibe code it. You don't need to like spend like the 5 days on it. You could probably create it with one prompt. Just say like a simple thing like landing page to showcase my bow bar. Here is the video AI. Please create me something. Don't make mistakes. And you can just for free deploy it on Vercel or somewhere for free. So you can just display and put here some link and potentially, you know, like send links on X instead of sending the GitHub link. I don't know if this is Bob. Did you create this one like for you, or this is meant to like, you know, commercialize it or something like that? What the heck? You built this one in 1995? For Windows, I guess 1995. Yeah, looks like the old Windows UI. Yeah, free bar. This is probably a cool thing that you can share between other developers. So you could like if you put it on some kind of landing page and you share it on X, like you have there so much content that you can put like on YouTube, on X, wherever you like. You can create short format videos. Like I know you're interested in content creation, and this building of this page, you could do it first on the live stream. After that, you could create a video from that live stream. Then you can create short format videos for that live stream. And all that is fitting on your X, like on X posts. So you could create like 1 week of content out of this one small landing page. So think about it. It's not only that you are like, I mean, the biggest thing here is that you are a good guy and that you are helping other developers, that you are giving for free a Mac kind of bar on Windows. So that is like the most important thing, and that's like the value that you're bringing. Everything out of that is your content creation and how are you going to handle it and to show it like to others. I would also here, because it's really looking like it, it's looking like Mac, so the Mac bar. So I would even say it maybe as a commercial thing, like Mac-like bar for Windows, something like that. That would probably attract more views and things like that. So think about it. This is a cool thing. I'm not using Windows, so this is not useful for me. But if somebody is using Windows, make sure to check this bow bar from Bob. Nice. Thank you, Bob, for this one. Let's see how many projects we have now. I'll remove this random number thingy. We're continuing with our Orc Machine. By the way, you can still submit your projects here on the review.horde.dev. You can go there, click on this one on submit project, and you can submit your project and you will get inside of the Orc Machine pit. We have 40 projects for now, so turning on the Orc Machine. Okay, we have time for 2 more projects. Let's go. Picking a project. Better Auth UI. What is that? Is that I think I know that one. That was MapCN. Beautiful copy paste map components, 100% free, 0 config, 1 command setup. I know about this project. I saw it last week or something like that. I was really like surprised how good it is. Oh my god, like these people are making me like jealous. Last week project has 4,400 stars. What the heck? Like, and I'm struggling with my 8-bit CN having 1,500 stars and not even 1,500 stars. I have like 485. Okay, let's forget about that. Let's see. Map CN. Beautiful maps made simple. And we have here our maps. So this is a solid README file. I would add here, I would change some things. For example, this map CN and beautiful maps made simple, that one is repeated 2 times, once on the screenshot and once here below. So I would move this part above on the top, and I would completely remove this map CN beautiful maps on this screenshot, and I would show more maps. We are here for the maps. We are not here for the text and for the fancy blue gradient. We want to see the actual maps. So you could put here more maps or just make this bigger. You could put a GIF, you could put a video. You could like GIF would probably be good because we could see like all these things. I guess that this one is blinking and you have pulse things and things like that. So that would look much cooler than this one. And like it will just make the better impression when somebody comes for the first time in this README. Free and open source map components, zero config, built on this map lib, nice. Style with Tailwind and works seamlessly with Shadcn UI. So it has the Shadcn registry, theme aware, so it's even working like in light, dark mode, and things like that. Nice, let's see it. Like I saw this only once, so I'm really curious now again. Beautiful maps made simple. So we have here immediately the npx Shadcn latest add and then the map. So I think this is a good thing, and we can see immediately also the maps right here. So this is, I would say, a perfect landing page. So logo is the simple location thing. Map CN, although I don't know if this one is centered right. I think this is not centered. I think that map CN should be a little bit above, like this. So I would center this one. Maybe it's because of the small letters. I'm not sure, but I think that this one is not centered well. And I would also make a PR to Shadcn for the trusted Shadcn registry. You are definitely going to be accepted, and Shed will just merge your PR probably as soon as possible. So make that one. It would be much more powerful to see here the @map CN thingy as a trusted Shadcn registry. So do that. Then we have, let's see, the dark mode. Yeah, we can see that maps are working in dark mode and light mode as well. That's really cool. So we have here different maps. We have here active users. No, this is really nice. So here we have like all these maps for different things. Also this world map, fly to. So if I press, is something happening? No. Okay. New York, nice. San Francisco here. What is this? Oh, like EV charging, we can put different icons. And we have also these hovers. And how is this looking on light mode? Let me see. Oh, this is a black hover on light mode and it is white on dark mode. Interesting. Here, what is this? Like some kind of trending. And this is some path delivery, whatever it is. This is really cool. And let's see the components and how is it functioning and the usage and everything. So we have here Fumadocs, which is pretty important. I think this is good. And we have just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 components. But these are really powerful components and these are usable components. I think this is really good. So here we have the code. We just put here the map. We put where is the center, the coordinates, and we put the zoom level. I guess this is the default zoom level, and then we can just scroll around and play with it. We have the controls. What are the controls? Map controls component provides a set of interactive controls that can be positioned on any corner of the map. Those are these. Okay, I will allow this one. I don't know if it's working, but it doesn't matter. So we have these controls, which is important. We have then the markers, which we can put here. So everything is like accessible. We can use different components for stuff like this. Oh, we have Francesco here. Loktar Rogar, how are you doing, my man? Yeah, this is an awesome project. I really love it. And we have pop-ups. So to put a pop-up on the map, routes. Yeah, this one is really cool. Yeah, like Francesco said here, I know also like some people that would be really happy to see this one. This is really an awesome project. Here we have clusters. This is also like so usable. I was creating something like this with jQuery. I think it was like 15 years ago. It was hard as hell. I was creating clusters for some network thingies. I don't know. I remember that I was fighting like I was like some kind of junior back then, and that was really hard. But here we can do it with one shadcn command, and that's it. And here we have advanced things. Okay, so we can actually like play around with the map_lib_gl, the API and everything, and change everything ourselves. Nice. This is really nice. Okay. So for the landing page, I really think it's perfect. I wouldn't change here anything, like except the trusted shadcn registry part. So we have the title. Oh, I will change this. So this is not good. When I highlight it, it is not visible. And I don't know if this one is good, but the title is not visible when I highlight it. So that one should definitely be updated. I don't know if it's working on, yeah, it's working in light mode. It's not working in dark mode. And like, if you have a problem here, you should probably check all other parts as well. So make sure to fix that one. And yeah, on the landing page, I would not change anything. This is perfect. This is really perfect. And here we have also the search from Fumadocs. So this is really nice. Then we have view components and get started. Is that one? Yeah, it is different. So this one is going here and components here. That's okay. So here we have Y, mapcn, and things like that. Nice, really nice. I love this project. I wouldn't change much here on like the project itself. What I would do is just in the README, change this screenshot, move this one here, and I think you have one really awesome project. And good job on this one. Really good. I really love it. Hope I will see this one more. Okay. Oh, Orcifier was not live, but I could. Can you send the link, Marek, again? I can try it out. I don't know if I have it somewhere here. Like I could show it to people quickly. I think that one would be really fun. Orcifier. I guess it's here. Yeah, there it is. Let's try it out. So Marek here created this Orcifier. Let me see. Like this. Allow this time. Yes. So now I can talk as an orc. What a cool project. What do you think, guys? Should I like make live streams like this? It's not really following my lips as it should, but it's really cool. I don't know what this button is doing. Okay, race orc 2. Oh, we have different orcs. I haven't seen this one. We have even goblin, lizard folk. No, this is awesome. Nice work on this one, man. Okay, we have one more project on this live review, and we have 42 projects. This is a little bit weaker than the previous live stream. So let's turn on the Orc Machine for the last time today. Okay. Do you guys remember how many projects we had last week? I think it was 80. Picking a project. Come on, Jay. We want to see Jay here. I want to see his project. I'm waiting that one. No, it's not. Jay, good luck next time. Renblocks, freemium. Renblocks is a growing collection of ready-to-use website sections, UI components, and developer tools designed to help you build modern, beautiful, and consistent websites faster. Sounds cool. I haven't heard about it yet, although I know a lot of these block libraries. So 0 stars, no description, no link, 1 commit last month, and what is this? Like some kind of issue template, readme.md. Is this one created like just to have some kind of GitHub repo? So this is a growing collection of ready-to-use website sections. This is the same text built with Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and ShedCN. So I guess this is some kind of paid closed source thingy, but you have this README in order to, I don't know, make it somehow open source. Okay, let's see it quickly. So get full access. This is definitely not free, and this is not real open source. So if you go here to the footer, for example, this is even just a screenshot. This is not real open source. We don't have any code. We don't have anything. And I'm going to close this one and I'm going to pick another project. Jay, you have one more chance because this was not a real open source project and open code. Let's go, Jay. Better form. Next generation developer first dynamic form builder for React and Next.js. Okay. Now this is open source. So we have 2 stars. 3 months ago, it started, and last commit 2 months ago. So a little bit abandoned. Better Form is an open source tool designed to make building, sharing, and manageable, reusable UI components effortless. Okay, supports the ShedCN UI registry CLI for seamless component distribution. Nice. So here again, we have like this thing like with fancy screenshots. And there are many tools today where we can create these fancy screenshots to look like this, but it is really not telling much about the product itself. So I think it's really more important to show this section right here, this sign up form. How can I zoom in on this GitHub thingy, open image in new tab? So this is the part that I'm interested about, this right here. And that is like, how much is it? Like maybe 30% of this entire screenshot. We have a lot of empty space and we are not seeing what can we do with this library. So I would definitely recommend that one, especially in README file where you're repeating 2 times the same title. So at least make this better form smaller so it can fit here and that you can put this screenshot. I clicked again, that you can put this screenshot like this, for example. So it's really visible if you want to keep this fancy thing. So we have a live demo, which is really good. So we can go probably to that page. I don't know if that's the same thing as here. Let's first go here. Better form, no fields yet. So this is like the, what's it called? 10CN, like 10 stack form creation thing. So we can now here create forms. So we can put in text input, then some kind of select, then for example, switch. Okay. So here we can put in the label like orc, and here we can put another label as something. Okay. And what can we do now? Let's see. We have a preview. So you can see how is our form looking. And we have code. Yes, so this is generated in the registry, which is really cool. I love that you have this one. And this is really important. That's the feature that 10cn has. And I wanted to say that, like, if you didn't have this one, I would say, like, go to 10cn and check out this one. This is really important. And this is awesome that you have this one working. And we can, of course, do it manually if somebody doesn't want to use that command. So that is really good. We have here, it's using Zod. I'm wondering if it's using the, okay, so this is bad. It is using the old way of form creation with shed CN. It's using the form control field item, etc. Now you have field components, and I think that shed CN is going to deprecate this one pretty soon. So you should use the new field components, definitely. And here we have input select. Okay, everything else looks pretty good, I would say. Okay, so that is good, but you don't have like a real landing page. You're going straight here to this part, which is not that bad. I'm not sure, like, you could probably create some fancy landing page and make this one as your create form page thingy. But this one works for now. If you want to like promote it a little bit, you'll see how it goes, but you'll probably end up creating landing page if you continue with this one. And let's see the live demo if that is something different. No, it's the same thing. Okay. I thought that it's some kind of live demo. I don't know what, something that we can see some form that is created with this one. Okay, we have multiple projects like this already. You could add here more things. For example, you could put in to choose now between base UI, between all those things like that exist now in Shred CN. You'll probably be the first one. I don't know if anyone updated it yet. So you could choose like between base UI, Redux UI, between like which component library which icon library you want. Like, is it huge icons or lucid or whatever it is? So you could do things like that. That would probably be really good for marketing for X, to put like, you can choose with our tool, do you want base UI or Redux UI? That would be attractive. So that's maybe a good thing to have. Also here in this builder, I saw that with 10cn guy, you could have some templates. For example, here, you could have button templates. I don't know, here, templates. And you can click like user registration form, contact form, like any kind of form that is really like written many times. You can have it here and people can just like automatically create it and they can just generate it and put it inside of their projects. So those like quick links and quick things, that would be probably good. Other than that, interesting project. I love form generation things. So I think that you should definitely continue working on this one and good luck. Awesome. So in the end of this live stream, we had 43 projects, which is a pretty good number. And now I'm going to reset everything and we'll have another live review next week. So I wanted to show you how am I doing it. So here I have a code. It's like just commenting, uncommenting. So here I put this delete all reviewed projects. And I go again to the Orc Machine. I have this delete. It's not looking good, but it works its job. So here, when I click delete all projects and go back, and we have here review projects, it is already here. So we can see in episode 11, all the projects that we've seen and everything is written down. And now I just go manually and truncate the database. So we have everything clean for the next live stream. So that was just, if you're wondering, like, how am I doing it? I'm doing it like that, like a peasant. So I should probably automate that, but we'll see. How are we doing here, chat? Let's see who do we have here. We have Mr. Francesco and Join the Discord server to fight AI together. Yes, join.thehorde.dev. Please come to the Horde Discord channel. We are talking a lot of things there. We have even a tavern. We are sitting by the fire and telling our war stories and how are we going to beat AI one day. So join the mighty Horde. You have the link also like this. So the best subdomain you've seen ever, it's join.thehorde.dev. 2% of my project will be reviewed. I don't know what does that mean, but okay. What was that duck in the IDE? Oh, I have. That's my VS Code pets, and I'm using like on every project I have different pets. So here I have a duck for the project review thingy. I love that extension for VS Code. And oh, we have Sahaj also here. Hey, man. Yeah, well, I wouldn't go that far, but okay, yeah, I guess we can even like accept paladins. But no update on the orc pet. They're ignoring us. They don't want to create an orc pet. I don't know, like I should probably like post on X. Can somebody create an orc pet for that thingy, for that extension? But they're ignoring us completely. Awesome. Let me remove this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this live stream, and I'm still a little bit not organized for this live stream with my curtains and everything, but like the repair guys are coming right now after this live stream, and I think that everything will look much better. I will post how it looks on my X, and I can also put it on the Horde Discord channel. So I hope that you will like it. And can't we see all the submitted projects? No, you cannot see all the submitted projects. You can see only the projects that were picked for the review. So there is no way of seeing all the projects. And yeah, we were already spamming them. I'll send you the link right now. Let me see. GitHub pets, not GitHub, the VS Code pets. I have the issue even there. Where is it? By orc dev. Org dev. So here it is. Add an orc pet. Spam them here. We want that orc. I need it. We have here already Jay and who else? Oh, it's Jay asking hello every like month. Are they like doing anything? So I really hope that they will add an orc pet for me to have it like locally in my VS Code. That would be so cool. Yes, we could add that one in that issue. Awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed in this live stream, and see you next week on episode number 12. I'll now truncate the entire database so you can resubmit your projects for the next week. I'll update you on the Horde Discord channel. Hope you had a nice time, and see you.